Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a really cool Matchbox casting to open up today. This is under Tyco Toys. This is from 1997. Camaro Police Pursuit. The full name is the 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Police Z28. It's number 59 of 75 vehicles. And this is on USA card. If it was on international, it would be number 56. Like the artwork on this, Superfast, new look. This is not the first edition. The first edition came in black, I believe. Yeah, Camaro Z28 1993 is what it's based off of. This is a 1997 casting. Here's some of the sets you can get from 1997. This is under Tyco, not Mattel. Collect all 75 gold-colored Matchboxes in the 75 challenge, and there's some more. You can see that there. And 1996 is the copyright on this packaging. You can take a look there. Tyco Toys. Okay, let's get this casting out of the packaging. See how cool it really is out of that packaging. Couldn't wait to get that out. Sort of a clean open there. Oh, this thing is gorgeous out of the packaging. Split 5 spokes, I believe we have on this. This thing is beautiful. Matchbox Police 911. Those wheels spin well, and it has suspension. That's pretty cool. Liking that. Let's take a closer look at those details. So yes, I purchased this brand new in the packaging in early this year. Well, actually maybe a month ago or so. I mean, this really caught my eye. This was $2 on the shelf at a collectible store. Had to pick it up. It says Police with those blue stripes on the side, the split 10-spoke wheels in chrome. And we got like that suspension. Really liking that. Unit 21, Camaro Z28. Imagine if you're a criminal, you see this chasing after you, you're dead meat. And there's the other side of it right there. Like the sleek design. It's like I don't know what to call it. It looks like an iron. And there's the front there. Really liking that. Definitely the signature 90s Camaro look. Oh, check that out. How's that for a thumbnail? Just an overall beautiful casting. Love the light bar. It's even painted in the middle. And the interior. Take a look at the white interior. Black plastic base. Everything else is metal, while the white is all metal. See if we can get that to focus in there. Matchbox International Ltd or something. Camaro Z28, it says on the bottom, made in Thailand. Plastic base, metal top. Overall, I think this is a decent quality vehicle with suspension and all, and not too heavy, but that means it's probably going to be really fast if I put it on a track. Now let's see how it drifts. Sweet drifter. Thanks to everyone that tuned in and checked it out with me. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.